Welcome to the ultimate guide to the enchanting land of Italy, where every corner is steeped in history, art, and culinary delights. Today, we're diving into 20 must-see destinations in Italy that will leave you speechless. But before we embark on this exciting journey, don't forget to check out the link in the description for incredible activities you can enjoy in Italy. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on that. Let's kick things off with number 1, the iconic Colosseum in Rome. This ancient amphitheater, a symbol of the Roman Empire, is a must-visit. Imagine standing in the very spot where gladiators once battled for glory. You can explore its vast interior, marvel at the architectural genius that has stood the test of time, and even catch a glimpse of the underground chambers where the action began. Don't forget to snap a selfie with this colossal structure in the background. Moving on to number 2, the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. This stunning stretch of coastline is a dream come true for any traveler. Picture this: colorful cliffside villages, crystal clear waters, and winding roads that offer jaw-dropping views at every turn. You can hike the famous Path of the Gods, indulge in fresh seafood at a seaside restaurant, or simply relax on the beach with a glass of limoncello. Trust me, the Amalfi Coast is the perfect backdrop for your vacation photos. At number 3, we have the enchanting city of Venice. Venice, the city of canals, gondolas, and romance. You can spend your day wandering through its labyrinthine streets, visiting St. Mark's Basilica, or taking a leisurely gondola ride through the serene waters. And don't forget to try some authentic cicchetti, the Venetian tapas, at a local baccaro. Venice is a place where every corner feels like a postcard waiting to be sent. Next up, number 4, Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Home to masterpieces by Michelangelo, Botticelli, and Da Vinci, Florence is a treasure trove of art and culture. You can visit the Uffizi Gallery, climb to the top of the Duomo for a panoramic view of the city, or simply stroll along the Arno River as the sun sets. And let's not forget the gelato. Florence is renowned for its creamy, delicious gelato that will make your taste buds dance. Number 5 takes us to the charming town of Cinque Terre. This UNESCO World Heritage Site consists of 5 picturesque villages perched on the cliffs of the Italian Riviera. You can hike between the villages, swim in the turquoise waters, or savor fresh pesto pasta at a local trattoria. The colorful houses and stunning landscapes will leave you in awe, making Cinque Terre an unforgettable destination. At number 6, we arrive in the historic city of Pompeii. This ancient city, preserved by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius, offers a fascinating glimpse into Roman life. You can wander through the ruins, visit the amphitheater, and see the preserved frescoes that tell stories of the past. It's a unique experience that combines history and archaeology, and it's a must-see for anyone interested in ancient civilizations. Number 7 brings us to the serene beauty of Lake Como. Nestled in the foothills of the Alps, this stunning lake is surrounded by charming villages and lush gardens. You can take a boat tour to explore the picturesque towns of Bellagio and Verona, relax by the water, or even visit the luxurious villas that dot the shoreline. Lake Como is the perfect escape for those seeking tranquility and natural beauty. Next, at number 8, we have the majestic Vatican City. This independent city-state is home to some of the world's most renowned art and architecture. You can marvel at the stunning Sistine Chapel, visit St. Peter's Basilica, and explore the Vatican museums. The sheer grandeur of this place is enough to leave anyone speechless. Just remember to dress appropriately. No shorts or sleeveless tops allowed. Coming in at number 9 is the charming town of Siena. Known for its medieval architecture and the famous Palio horse race, Siena is a delightful destination. You can explore the beautiful Piazza del Campo, visit the stunning Siena Cathedral, and indulge in some local cuisine. The rich history and vibrant culture of Siena will captivate you at every turn. At number 10, we have the breathtaking landscapes of Tuscany. This region is famous for its rolling hills, vineyards, and charming villages. You can take a wine tour, cycle through the countryside, or simply relax in a rustic farmhouse with a glass of Chianti in hand. Tuscany is the epitome of Italian charm, and it's a place where you can truly unwind and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Number 11 takes us to the stunning city of Verona, the setting of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. You can visit Juliet's balcony, explore the ancient Roman amphitheater, and stroll through the charming streets of this romantic city. Verona is a perfect blend of history and romance, making it an ideal destination for couples and dreamers alike. At number 12, we arrive in the picturesque town of Positano. With its colorful cliffside houses and stunning beach, Positano is a true gem of the Amalfi coast. You can relax on the beach, enjoy a delicious meal at a seaside restaurant, or explore the charming boutiques that line the streets. Positano is the kind of place where you can lose yourself in its beauty and charm. Number 13 brings us to the historic city of Naples. Known as the birthplace of pizza, Naples is a food lover's paradise. You can indulge in authentic Neapolitan pizza, explore the vibrant streets, and visit the National Archaeological Museum to see incredible artifacts from Pompeii. Naples is a city full of life, flavor, and history, and it's a place you won't want to miss. At number 14, we have the magnificent ruins of the ancient city of Agrigento in Sicily. The Valley of the Temples is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases some of the best preserved ancient Greek temples. You can wander through this archaeological wonder, marvel at the stunning architecture, and enjoy breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Agrigento is a place where history comes alive. Number 15 takes us to the charming island of Capri. Known for its stunning cliffs, crystal clear waters, and luxurious lifestyle, Capri is a favorite among travelers seeking elegance and beauty. You can take a boat tour around the island, visit the famous Blue Grotto, or simply relax at a cafe with a view. Capri is a slice of paradise that feels like a dream come true. At number 16, we arrive in the vibrant city of Bologna. Renowned for its rich culinary traditions, Bologna is a food lover's dream. You can indulge in handmade pasta, visit the historic markets, and explore the beautiful medieval architecture. Bologna is a city that celebrates food and culture, and it's a place where you can truly savor the flavors of Italy. Number 17 brings us to the stunning Dolomites. This mountain range offers breathtaking scenery and endless opportunities for outdoor activities. You can hike through the picturesque trails, ski in the winter, or simply take in the stunning views from one of the many viewpoints. The Dolomites are a nature lover's paradise, and they offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. At number 18, we have the charming coastal town of Taormina in Sicily. With its stunning views of Mount Etna and the Mediterranean Sea, Taormina is a picturesque destination. You can visit the ancient Greek theater, stroll through the beautiful gardens, and enjoy delicious Sicilian cuisine. Taormina is a place where you can relax and soak in the beauty of the surroundings. Number 19 takes us to the historic city of Assisi. Known as the birthplace of Saint Francis, Assisi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that offers a glimpse into medieval life. You can visit the stunning Basilica of Saint Francis, explore the charming streets, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere of this spiritual town. Assisi is a place that invites reflection and tranquility. Finally, at number 20, we arrive in the bustling city of Milan. Known as the fashion capital of the world, Milan is a vibrant city full of energy. You can visit the magnificent Duomo, explore the trendy neighborhoods, and indulge in some shopping at the famous Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. Milan is a city that blends history, culture, and modernity, making it a dynamic destination. As we wrap up this journey through Italy's must-see destinations, I hope you're feeling inspired to explore this beautiful country. From the ancient ruins to the stunning landscapes, Italy has something for everyone. Don't forget to check out the incredible activities link in the description for more ways to experience Italy. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to Impeccable Planet for more captivating content and travel inspiration. Thank you for joining me on this adventure, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.